Hey everyone! Today I'm thrilled to show you how to get a free $100 Dunkin' Donuts promo code. This method is really easy and only takes a few minutes. First, go to easyscoupon.co/Dunkin' or scan the QR code displayed on the video with your smartphone camera to access the site. Once you're there, enter your email address. This is important because your $100 promo code will be sent directly to your inbox, so be sure to enter it correctly. Next, you'll need to choose whether you're using an Apple or Android device. Since I'm on Android, I'll select that option and click Continue. The site will start generating your promo code, which only takes a few moments. Before your code is ready, there's one final step. To verify you're a real person and not a bot, the site will ask you to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are always free, so there's no cost involved. Just pick any 2 apps that are available. No need to choose the same ones I'm downloading. Once both apps are installed, open and use each one for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to complete a quick survey or sign up, so if that happens, just follow the instructions to ensure everything goes smoothly. After that, head back to your email and refresh the page. Your $100 Dunkin' Donuts promo code should be in your inbox, ready to use. It's really that simple. I'm refreshing my email now, and there it is, my free Dunkin' Donuts promo code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel.